Hello and welcome to Carysil world of kitchen appliances. Today, I'm going to show you the operational demonstration of our built-in coffee machine. For many people, coffee is their life, the source of energy. Today, we're going to show you our very beautiful built-in coffee machine that allows you to enjoy homemade coffee at your convenience. It's definitely the perfect fit for your great stylish home. This amazing coffee machine comes with different design to your selection. We have an easy to use touchscreen LED display and is a true espresso machine with high pressure of 19 bars. With just one touch, you can make your own cappuccino latte thanks for the auto milk froth system. And not just that, you can easily adjust the grinder and volume for your drinks to meet your different tastes. And with this wonderful machine, you can make your own coffee bar at home. First step is to add water to this container. Is to add coffee beans to this container. On the right hand side, we have the power button. It comes with the touchscreen LED display. Press power button to turn on the machine. The machine displays self-check. We have 4 different types of coffee: cappuccino, latte, espresso and Americano. On the right hand side, we have our volume control for increasing and decreasing the quantity of coffee according to your taste. The last button is to pause or to restart at any given time. And once the display says ready, your coffee is just one touch away. Steam heating. The display, it says 130 cc and you can increase or decrease according to your taste. So I've increased it to 140. There you go. Your coffee is ready and it just took one button. The cleaning process of this machine is also very simple. You have to put your 2 fingers here, remove the upper tray, then you have to pull the lower tray. There you go. All your waste is right here and cleaning takes hardly 2 minutes. There you go. In just one touch. Now I'm going to enjoy my coffee.